Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I have a huge announcement that many of you have been waiting for. The Quran Mind Maps book is finally ready. You already know how powerful and effective visual mind maps are for memorizing the Quran. You have seen how understanding the flow and structure of a surah turns memorization from a struggle into something clear, enjoyable, and deeply meaningful. We started specifically with Juz Amma because this is how we all begin our Quran journey. It is filled with short, powerful surahs that our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ used to recite in his daily prayers. Starting with Juz Amma is the absolute best way to build a strong, lifelong habit of daily memorization. To make this effortless for you, I created this interactive book along with more than 200 video explanations. If you are a visual learner or struggle with consistency, this system was built specifically for you. Inside the book, you will find a 107-day study plan. Every single day is directly linked to its own video explanation and an interactive teaching Mus'haf video where you listen and repeat. Let me show you exactly how it works and how to use it step by step. Once you open the book, you will see how everything is organized and clickable. Step 1. Read the overview pages. Before jumping into memorization, start here. This section explains the science of memory, how daily revision works, and simple strategy tips to help you build a solid daily routine. Step 2. When you are on the overview page, click Mind Maps and then click on your day's lesson, and it will take you directly to that page. Turn the page and look closely at the visual mind map to build a clear mental image of how the verses connect. Then go back and click the video icon. This takes you directly to the video explanation on our Patreon page, where I break down the tafsir and meaning of those exact lines so you truly understand what you recite. Step 3. Listen and repeat. Turn to the Mus'haf page of that day and click the sound icon at the bottom to open the teaching video. When the verse highlights in brown, listen. When it highlights in green, there is a pause. Read out loud right after the reciter. Every ayah is repeated 3 times. So, first you study the science of memorization, then you look at the mind map and understand the meaning and the connections, and then you repeat to look it into your memory. You can download the book for free in the link below. The first 3 days of videos are open for everyone. To see all 107 days of videos and help us build more Quran mind maps, you can join our Patreon starting from just $5 a month. Let's start this beautiful journey together and see you there inshallah.